Thank you for watching our videos here at National. You clearly see this is one of our voeller gearboxes for a main mill mixer. We're doing a complete rebuild, a remanufacture, supply all new bearings and seals, oil pump, reassemble, probably some shaft gear, shaft seal areas are probably worn. We'll have to do some repair, regrinding on them. Gearing seems to be in good condition. So please stay tuned to see a video.
Thank you for visiting National Gear Repair. Okay, we are assembling our voeller box together. Got all the pieces all sandblasted. We are now starting the assembly. Should be done in the morning. Thank you for visiting National Gear Repair.